In tort law, a party is generally liable for the harm caused by the party's negligence. But how far does that liability extend? In Robbins Dry Dock and Repair Company versus Flint, we explore one of the rules limiting negligence liability. George Flint chartered a steamship from the ship's owners. While the steamship was chartered to Flint, its owners contracted with Robbins Dry Dock and Repair Company to conduct routine repairs. Robbins negligently damaged the ship's propeller while it was in dry dock. A new propeller had to be made, causing the ship to remain in dry dock for an extra 2 weeks. Because Flint couldn't use the ship during these 2 weeks, his revenue suffered. Flint filed a tort lawsuit against Robbins, arguing that Robbins' negligence had caused his lost revenue. The district court ruled in favor of Flint, and the Court of Appeals affirmed. The United States Supreme Court granted cert.